Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.6% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The gold fell 0.9% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Omicron variant of COVID-19 could slow global economic growth by exacerbating supply chain problems and depressing demand, U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen believes. Goldman Sachs is among a handful of Tier 1 U.S. banks reportedly figuring out how to use Bitcoin as collateral for cash loans to institutions. Sterling firmed as the discovery of the first case of the Omicron variant in the United States weighed on the dollar overnight, amid uncertainty about whether the Bank of England will hike interest rates this month.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. non-farm payrolls will be released at 13:30 GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales at 10:00 GMT. Spain's market services PMI at 08:15 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 20:30 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 20:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.